Welcome to the video. In this video, I am going to give you a demo about a software which you can use for your business to make invoices for your customers. This is an online software which you can use from any of your computer without having any kind of installation. This is a very simple and easy to use software and has been designed for those people who want to have their things, their business information more organized and computerized. This is a low budget software which you can use by paying monthly amount and making your things more simple and easy to use. So let's get started. I'll show you how you can make invoices, how you can follow up your unpaid invoices, how you can see customer aging report in the same video. In order to make an invoice, you need to make sure the customer information is already entered and registered in the system. So click on customer information. These are all the customers which you have defined in the system. You can search by customer name or his mobile number by entering here. For example, if I write Imran, click enter, all the customers named Imran will appear to me. If you want to edit any customer information, click this pencil sign and do the changes, make save. If you want to see all the invoices issued to a particular customer, click this mirror button and you will be able to see all the invoices issued to this customer. You can redefine the period in order to see the previous invoices issued for this particular customer. You can edit any invoice by clicking this edit sign. This is the invoice number 10 issued to this particular customer in the month of August. I will explain you further by clicking this pencil sign how you can make the invoice for this customer. Click this pencil sign and you will see the customer name. Right hand side you will see your own remarks you have entered for this particular customer. Right now his balance is 0. You can start entering the information in order to proceed with the invoice creation. For example, 9,000 you are receiving as an advance and click on save button. The invoice number will be generated automatically, which you can control in the setup table I'll explain you in this video. In the line item, click the description you are selling and put the unit, the quantity and the unit price. Once you are done, click on the save button. Your invoice is ready. If you click on this yellow button print, the invoice will be displayed in front of you. You can change your company logo with to be printed on all of your invoices. Okay, you can you can change this information to be printed on all of your invoices. Customer information is coming from the customer registration screen. Line item, quantity, price, all will come what you have entered. The delivery charges, discount and the total invoice will be calculated automatically. Advance amount if you are receiving, you have entered in the system, and the invoice is due with 78,000. The payment methods you can enter in the system in the setup table. I'm going to explain you all these things, and this is the last line which you can enter to be printed on all of your invoices. So in order to change the invoice format, I'm going to explain you. Once you are done with this invoice, go back to the home page and click on the administration. From the administration, click this edit sign. This is the information, this is the setup information from where you can change to be printed for your invoices. For example, top right line and top right text you can enter for your to be printed on your top right side of your invoices. This is the last line. fixed line which you can enter to be printed on all of your invoices. Sales note 1, sales note 2 and sales note 3, these are the three options which you can enter as your payment methods. Once you are done with entering or editing all your information, click on the save button. You can also write the number from which the invoice number or the invoice sequence number will start from. Once you are done, click the save button, click on the back again to come to the home page. Once you are done with the invoice creation, you can search all your invoices by clicking this button. Unselect the customer name or redefine the period. Click on the show, will show you all the invoices you have entered in the system. You can edit the invoice, you can reprint the invoice at any time by clicking this pencil sign. If you want to see all the due sales invoices, you can click this option. This is the list of all due invoices entered in the system, and those invoices are still open. The amount is not fully received. You can notice the number of days over. You can make the sorting. You can download the information in Excel format. For example, if you are receiving this particular invoice amount, click the edit sign. The computer is showing you 67,200 is the balance amount. For example, this customer is agreed to pay you 67,000, so 200 you will enter as a discount in order to close the invoice. Once you enter the received amount as 66,000, okay, and click on the save button in order to close the invoice. The invoice number 1042 will be closed and will not be shown in this due invoices list. This is how you can close the invoices. Aging report is a well-known report and has been required for any kind of business kind. This report will show you the due amount and the period from when the amount is due. For example, left hand side the customer names are coming and right hand side the total due amount from those customers. In the middle there is a breakup of the amount due within the period. For example, this amount has been due from Ahmed in between the period of 0 to 30 days. This amount has been due in the period between 61 to 90 days. Yani 61 days at least the invoice has been issued to Khalid and this amount is still pending with him. So these kind of reports are instant report. You can click and have a view of your aging report and you will be better in a position to follow with those customers who have not paid you in a long period of time. At last, I would like to explain your WhatsApp numbers from which you can contact us and we'll be happy to give you answers. Any kind of customizations, again, I'm asking you, we'll do it for you and we'll make this software best fit for your business requirements. Just give us your requirements, we'll make the changes in our software and it will be ready for you to use. If you want to include any piece of information in your invoices, if you want to change your invoice format, if you want to include exclude things of your choices, just give us the idea, contact us, give us your requirements and we will make the changes in the software in order to make this software best fit for your business requirements. I hope this video explains you well and you are now having a better understanding with the application. And if you like this video, please click the like button. It will appreciate us. Thank you very much for watching this video.